Now we are looking into Unit 10, which we are supposed to do, that is technical vocabulary. A little part of it was done in the last semester in Unit 5, where we had vocabulary of computer science. Like in the exam also you got a bit question. Mouse, desktop, to which discipline do these words belong to?
Unit 9, ma'am. It's Unit 9.
Technical vocabulary is Unit 9?
Unit 9, second lesson.
Second lesson.
Vocabulary technical.
Okay. Unit 9, vocabulary.
171 page number.
Page number?
171.
171. Okay. So, technical vocabulary is a set of words or phrases used in a specific domain or discipline. Like every field, take it computers, commerce, banking, law, different fields, it has a specialized vocabulary. And we did a little bit of it in last semester, Unit 5. Like commerce itself means account, balance sheet, tally. It tells you that looking at these words, it belongs to the commerce department. In the same way, mouse, bits, hard disk, RAM, drive, operating systems, but these words belong to the computer field. In the same way, when I say case, file, hearing, proceedings, verdict, IPC, section, acquitted, verdict, judge, you will understand that it relates to law. So today we are going to look at film vocabulary. Right. Your assignment was to submit a film review and a book review. Those who did not submit yet, will give you a mail ID where you can submit it. But today,
where I have to submit, ma'am?
We'll tell you at the end of the class. Okay?
Okay.
On email mostly. Many of you have submitted one film review and one book review. That we have accepted, but some are yet to submit. So, film vocabulary. So, film vocabulary, if you read into any of the film reviews published in paper and YouTube or Tollywood.com, Bollywood.com, every Friday the new releases are reviewed, right? And they are published in various newspapers and websites. When you look at these reviews, you will find a set of words which are used while writing a review. Like rom-com, slice of life, social drama, a must-watch for all the family audience, a must-watch for Salman Khan fans, only for Salman Khan fans or only for Amir Khan fans, like that. So sometimes some movies are based on true events. And some are like fantasies, like your Bahubali is a folk fantasy. Some are melodrama, continuous crying, Rona Dhona will be there, and some are ghost thrillers, murder mysteries. So all these words belong to a particular category, that is film vocabulary or anything to do with the film industry. So these can be divided roughly into 2-3 themes, like film genres. How many kinds of films are there? For example, you have action, you have thrillers, you have adventure, you have animations, you have biopics, like Sanju was a biopic of Sanjay Dutt. Like that, you had Mahanati, which was a biopic of Savitri. So these are the biopics. Comedies, science fiction, docudramas, which are like a drama based like a documentary on a person's life. All the while, we also have historical films like Rudramadevi, Padmavat. These are the historical films. And horror films. There are musicals, Pura Nachkana, all kinds of musicals, songs and dance. And then you also have mythological films based on mythology, Ram, Ravan and all that. These are all words that are specially used for describing this particular film genre. You have situational comedy, which are sitcoms, suspense thrillers, and all the cowboy films fall under the Western fiction, which is a North American kind of a film, which has pirates, which has bandits, which has a sheriff, there's a treasure hunt, cowboys, guns, belts, horses. running, chasing, all this will happen there. Then based on themes, what kind of themes do the filmmakers make? Based on the themes, you have certain vocabulary, certain words like coming of age, conflict, fate, film on friendship, justice, love, revenge, romance, sacrifice, transformation, vengeance. These are all themes. Coming to how do you describe the film characters? There are 2-3 types. One is a protagonist is the hero. Person who is opposite is anti-hero or antagonist. Then you also have archetype. Archetype are specialized types which are based on, like you have Ram, an ideal son, which is an archetypal role. The Ravan contrast, who is very well read but a boy went bad. That is a typical archetype. Then you have cardboard characters. They are there just for the sake of it, but nothing they do. They do not add anything else to the story. In the same way, you have confidant. Hero ke dost rehta na, the sidekicks, all the comedy tracks are the best friend of hero. They are all confidant. Foil is a contrasting character to the main person. If Rama is a manchi baludu, Bhimudu is a rowdy. So two contrasting characters. The first of the half of the film, you have the elder brother or twin brother who is all good. Second half of the film, it is the person who is a foil. Total contrast. In the same way, you have stereotype characters, which are moosabosnattu. In one stereotype, nothing added to it, which follows a particular pattern. Then you also have narrators. Of late, the newest trend is most of the big heroes are doing this narration for a small heroes or other heroes films. Like you had Mahesh Babu doing the narration for Jalsa. In the same way, Amitabh Bachchan did the introduction of narrator's voice for Lagan. Salman Khan did it for, any guesses? So that's a guesswork. Salman Khan did it for, I forgot, I wrote it somewhere. And Om Puri gave voice for Gadar Ek Prem Katha. Sanjay Dutt gave for taxi number 9211. So all these are narrators. So this is your another type of characters. Now based on this, you have a multiple choice question in which you have to match the following. In your exam, 2 or 3 will be coming. Like in the grammar part of it, short questions where these things are asked, which vocabulary, which field or which genre do they belong to. Now when you look at your Unit 9 Exercise 1, Vocabulary, Technical Vocabulary, Film and Literature. I'll be doing film vocabulary. After that, Suchitra ma'am will do the literature vocabulary. Is that fine? Till here, do you have any doubts?
No, ma'am. No.
No? Somebody said yes?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So we will compare. We'll match the explanation of column 1 to column 2. Exercise. What page is it, ma? In your text? Write it down. If you don't have the textbook with you, just write it down. Page number
172.
172 is the page number.
Yes,
172 page. Exercise 1 of Unit 9. Match the explanation in column 1 with column 2. First one, a boisterous comedy with absurd situations and pranks. Comedy ఎట్లుంటదంటే ఆ situations are all absurd. Real life it doesn't happen that way. It is only meant to evoke a lot of laughter. What kind of film or this genre is called? Check. Slapstick. Very good. Slapstick comedy. Second one, a recurring piece of music that represents the character, theme or action. Like a recurring piece of music in your Mahabharat serial, whenever Shani comes, there's a kind of music allotted. That means this fellow is villain. So whenever he comes, that particular music comes. What is it called? It could refer to a character, it could refer to a theme, or it could refer to action. Suppose a murder is going to take place. What kind of music? It keeps coming in the film again and again. Whenever that music comes, you will understand that something is going to happen. What is it called? What is one word, vocabulary for it? Check.
Leitmotiv.
Leitmotiv, but it is pronounced in a different way. Leitmotiv. T silent.
Okay, ma'am.
Leitmotiv. Exact pronunciation, maybe Anita madam will help you with that. Then someone, the third one, someone the central character trusts and confides in. Central character is the main hero. Who is that one character that the main character trusts and tells all his or her problems? Best friends or confidant. Confidant in whom you confide your problems to. Fourth one, a film set in the past in which the actors are dressed like people from the past. Like if you have a time machine film, Aditya 369, from the present they go to Krishnadevaraya's time. So first half of the film is in the past, all those royal costumes. And the second half they go into the future. It is all technological, robots. So what is this kind of a film called? First half in one kind of costumes, second half in other kind of costumes.
Costume drama.
Costume drama, very good. Next, fifth one, a dramatized film based on real events. A film which is dramatized based on real events. It runs like a documentary. But there's drama in it. Docudrama. I'm giving you most of the clues anyway. Sixth one, a list of people involved in making a film, usually shown at the end of it. Shubha Mahintala, what runs ma?
Credit.
Credits. At the end of the film, you have the credits scrolling. Seventh one, a combination of drama and music.
Melodrama.
Melodrama, very good. You have many examples for that. Anyway, the next one, eighth one, music that goes with a film. What is the music? Soundtrack. And to which movie soundtrack did A.R. Rahman won the Oscar? Slumdog Millionaire. That soundtrack is also sold as audio cassettes and audio CDs. Next one, a film about cowboys in Western North America. A film about cowboys in Western North America. Western. Tenth one, the story of the lives and actions of a family. Story of the lives and actions of a family. Family to start
Saga.
Family saga. Saga is one action which goes on from one generation to the other in that particular family. All your sequels are part of it. Like Godfather is a best example for this. Someone who's...
Saga, man.
Yes, ma? Godfather. Saga. 11th one, someone whose character contrasts to that of protagonist. In the film, there's one character who is the hero. He has all some kind of characters. Who is the character that has total contrast? What is he called? Foil. Correct. Foil. Then 12th one, a character who represents a type. Moosa bosnattundatam. A character who represents a type. Stereotype. 13th one. 13. The first showing of a film. Premiere. Before it is released in the theatres, it is first screened to a private audience, that is called premiere. 14th one, unusual sounds or images created artificially using new technology. Your Bahubali, Avatar, all these have what?
Special effects.
Special effects. Good. 15th one, the script of a film, including acting instructions and screen directions.
Screenplay.
Screenplay, very good. These are the technical vocabulary of a particular film based on genres, characters, and the themes which is there in your syllabus. So out of this thing, you get some 2 or 3 bits asking you to identify to which genre do they belong to, what kind of vocabulary. Is it clear? Any doubts here?
No, ma'am.
Okay, coming to leitmotif, any of the treasure hunt films, if you take, they have this constant cowboy music going on. Good, bad, ugly film, the people running on horses. Do you remember? Can anyone sing it? Doo, doo, that kind of sound. That means it is a cowboy film. That its sound is found in almost all the films of Western treasure hunts or cowboy films. So that is the leitmotif. Or some kind of a music which when a character enters, suddenly uske piche aata. So looking at that music, okay, this guy is up to some nuisance or some mischief. You will understand. So now we'll move to literary vocabulary of literature. But it's 125. In 5 minutes, it might break. But don't leave. Join back. Suchitra ma'am,
Yeah.
over to you.
Right. So